I'd show a really quick tip on what I like to do with some of the vegetables in my refrigerator to not only keep them fresher, but sometimes I use them as centerpieces. Now keep in mind, when you see these little quick videos that I took, these were something I already had. They're not the prettiest. If I wanted to use them in a display, whether it was a floral display or if I was having a party, I would have picked them up at my local market and been a little more selective. But I started doing this with asparagus and it hasn't stopped since. These were on my counter, like I said, as I took the video. So this is not something I'm doing just to show you because I'm doing it to show you because it works. Enjoy. All right, and like I said, this is just some of the vegetables that I've already had in my refrigerator. I already had them on the counter, pulled out for some prepping, and I actually pulled them out earlier in the day just so I could enjoy them. It was gloomy and cold outside, and I just like how the pop of green just made me feel a little bit better. The celery is actually in a candle holder because I have two large bunches of celery because we're doing a lot of meal preps right now, so I just put that under there while it was on the counter. And I left that on the counter for a couple days because we just kept pulling from it. We would cut some of our own celery, but as you'll see in the end, I'm actually going to put the rest in a Tupperware once this video's done. So once again, these vegetables are just like flowers. They have a high water content. They will draw water up and stay fresher just like flowers do. So when you come home, to make them last longer, just give them a nice fresh cut at the bottom and put them in an inch or so of water, and they will last longer for you. I have found that the cilantro does last better out of the refrigerator than in. And like I said, here I am, I'm just cut up some of the celery, and this will go back in the refrigerator and it will last so long. Celery and carrots last a long time when you have them submerged in water, and I love that. I hate spending money on vegetables only to go for them and they're wilted and I can't use them. So that's my little quick tip. I hope you liked it. Like I said, it was just something that I decided to do a little quick video on after I was prepping some other meals. I hope you enjoy.